Today, I'm going to show you how to take off your front and rear motorcycle tires. The reason I'm doing this is to change out the rubber on them. As you can see, these are all cracked and I'm pretty sure they're expired, and I don't trust my life on them. So, let's get to it. Starting on the right side of the bike, I'm going to begin by removing this rear caliper. These are two 12mm bolts holding that on, so let's go ahead and break these loose. Now I can remove these two 12mm bolts, and that just slides right out like that. Now I'm going to go to the other side. Next, as you can see, this probably does not look like your bike. This is from a previous video that I'm working on. This chain would usually be on right here. And then I would begin by removing this axle nut. This is a 7/8 or 7/8, my bad, or 22mm. So I'd break this loose, and then on the back of these arms right here is also a bolt. You can undo those. That enables this wheel from moving in and out. Once those are loosened off, you should be able to remove this chain and push the wheel forward. And then you can take this bolt all the way out. So there will be a castle nut, a washer, and then this kind of bracket holder type deal going on. And then you should be able to push this axle out through all the way to the other side. On the right side of the bike, as you can see, it has another one of these holders or brackets in place. Make sure you watch what falls out here, because there will be spacers and stuff in between here. So I'm just going to go ahead, try to hold the tire while pulling this axle bolt out. And now the tire should come right out. The rear tire has been removed. Onto the front. Here is the front tire. So before I begin, as you can see right now, the tire does not spin at all. So I am using the center stand on this motorcycle right now, but it's not enough. It's only for the rear wheels. So what would be helpful is if you guys had some sort of jack or bricks or wood or something. I'm going to put this right in between here where the frame holds together and see if that helps. This bolt was going through here, but change of plan, it doesn't really work here, so I'm just relocating it to this top piece here. That did end up working a lot better. Tire is now spinning freely and off the air. In the air. Yeah. I'm going to begin by removing these two bolts. This holds the caliper in. That way I can move this out of the way, and then when I take the tire off, it can just slide right out. So these are two 14mm bolts. Very tight 14mm bolts. There we go. And now you can also inspect your pad thickness and decide if you need brakes or not. I will probably put brakes on here because these are looking a little bit thin. Now to the next part. The axle nut. There's a big cotter pin in here. Get some pliers or a screwdriver and try to get that out. Yeah! Size for this axle nut is a 19mm socket. So let's go ahead and break that loose. Axle nut out. Now I'm just going to push this through to the other side and the tire should just fall right out. There we go. Front tire is removed. Now, while the tires are off, it's a good idea to do wheel bearings. Those things right there. Who knows? Maybe I'll do a video on them. But for now, that's all.